Hello students, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to talk about how I got my first job. Like a lot of times students come to me and say that, okay ma'am, can you help me get a job? Ma'am, how to find a job? What are the fields that I can opt for? Where to find the notification regarding jobs? So in today's video I will share with you how I found my first job, so that you also get some idea on how to look for jobs. Now I completed my studies, that is I completed my LLM in 2016, and towards the end I completed. So what I did is, I was anyways involved in my dissertation, term paper and all that stuff. So once I completed my studies, once the exam was over, dissertation presentation was over, after that I started looking for options, what I can do. Now I was not that much interested in going to the practice field. So what I did is, there was this newspaper, Assam Tribune, which is widely circulated newspaper in the state where I live, Assam. Right, so what I did is, we anyway had taken the subscription for that newspaper. So every single day in the morning that newspaper would get delivered to our home. Early in the morning after waking up, I will take a pen, take that newspaper, and in the second page and third page mostly, it would be like the ad section, right? So there will be job ads also, there will be other different ads also. What I will do early in the morning with my breakfast and cup of tea, I will sit and I will take a pen, and then I will mark all the job related ads which I think are useful, or where I can apply, or where I can send my resume, or maybe I can make a phone call. So I will mark all those ads. I will be done with my breakfast. After that I will send my resume. If they have mentioned an email address that you need to send your resume to this email, you need to do this, that, whatever stuff is there, I will do that. There will be certain others where they would say that, okay, give us a call or something like that. There also I will call. Like that I used to do. I think some 1 or 2 months I used to do that. And one day I saw there was one ad which said that, okay, I even forgot the name of that company, by the way. It was Accent. I forgot the name of that company. I just worked there for 1 month. Okay, so I saw that particular job ad from the company, and it was said that, okay, we need like a legal advisor. Okay, and their phone number was given, I think. So I called them and they said that, okay, like come to the office and meet us. So I thought that, okay, fine. I went to the office. That was like the first time I went for an interview. So I went there, and there was this person who said that, okay fine, I'm the owner of this particular company. It is related to some sort of, like supply delivery, something they would do. So they said that, okay, we are, looking for a legal advisor for our company. I said that, okay, like what is the work that I will have to do? They said that, okay, like there will be some bit of going to the court, not like fighting a case as such, but bit of work related to courts, and mostly it would be within the office only. Some documentation paperwork would be there. I said, okay, fine. And I even told them that I have zero experience. I have not worked under any advocate, not even like as an intern also I have not worked as such. So I don't have any experience. They said that, okay, fine. Then I asked them what is the salary, and they said that they would be giving 7,500 rupees. It's so less. But yes, like the salary, right, again it would vary from state to state also. There are certain states like metro cities, right, cost of living would also be higher. The salary also would be a bit higher than the other parts of the country, right? And Assam is such a place wherein there are less opportunities as like a corporate sector, right? There are hardly any opportunities. If you are in the government sector, it's fine. Otherwise, there are very less jobs. So they said that we will be paying you 7,500 rupees. I definitely thought that it's a very less amount of money, but then I thought that anyways I'm not doing anything, right? So maybe I can join this job, and at the same time I can look for other options. So I said that, okay, fine. I will be coming from tomorrow. They said that, okay, fine, because they will be going to the court. Sometimes you need like this advocate attire. I said that I don't have that, I will buy it. After coming from the interview, I went to this market, Fancy Bazaar. I went there, and there I purchased a pair of black trousers, one white shirt, and also I ordered for this blazer, right? I ordered for that because it had to be ordered. I ordered that and I returned home. Next day I had to go for work. I think it was around 9, they had called me that 9 o'clock you need to join. I thought that might be it's like a, like the corporate thing that you see in movies and stuff, right? I thought that it's like that. I had one high heels, like this high heels, white color. So I saw like in corporates, this is how people go. So I wore that, this much high heel, and with that black trouser and the white shirt that I had bought the previous day, I wore that and I went there. So the owner was not there, his son was there, and he said that okay fine, so these are few cases which are like going on in the court, and these are certain documents that we require from the court, can you help us with that? I had no idea what he was talking about. He said that okay, we need certified copies of these documents, some form he gave that I had to fill and I had to go to the court basically. I had no clue what that form was because I have not done practice, right? So I just saw that and he said that okay, maybe you can fill this form, I'll just come back after a while and then you can like go to the court. I just looked at the form, I had no idea what it was and I did not know how to react. I thought that maybe this is not my cup of tea, and also I anyways never wanted to go to the court, so let me just escape. Trust me, I escaped from my first job on the first day itself. I just escaped from there. And it was, I think, within like 1 hour only I escaped from there. Then the owner came at a later stage and then he called me that what happened, where are you and stuff like that. And I said that okay, some like papers or some forms were given to me and I don't know what to fill. I don't have experience, practice related experience, and because I don't have a senior to guide me also, I don't think I will be able to do this job. So I'm sorry, I'm not coming. And the person said that no, it's fine, I can help you. Like for over these years I have dealt with so many cases and stuff, I do have some idea, I will help you. And also there are some other, like on contract basis, there are other senior advocates also who can also help you. So what you do is come tomorrow. I said that okay fine. So next day again I went there. So few of the works were there wherein the owner used to guide me. There were some other advocates also whom I used to meet at the court. They used to help me. Like that I completed 1 month. If I talk about learnings, okay, there are few things here and there I learned that how courts function and stuff like that. I knew okay, this court is located here, that court is located here, like that. I used to even call my friends and ask where is this court, where to do this, because everybody else would have a senior and they would go with the senior, they would have better idea. I was just alone there having no clues what to do basically. So I was just working as a assistant of the other advocates whom the company had hired to fight different cases, right? I basically had to go to the court, get some copies, some like documents and stuff like that, nothing more than that. So learning wise it was not much there. Some things I learned, basic things. Job satisfaction, not at all. I was not happy with the job. Like it was so hot wearing that black coat, I had to roam around. It was like horrible. I did not like that job. Now I continued it for 1 month only. Why? Because after 1 month I got another job, and for this particular job I had given interview, like I think 2 months back itself I had given interview, but the results came a bit late. So I got this particular offer. So I told them that okay, I will not be coming, like I will not be able to continue with this job because I have got another one. And the owner was like, okay, what is the salary, why are you leaving? If it is difference is less means we can increase your salary and stuff like that. It was actually like twice the amount what they were paying. The second job that I got was for 15,000 rupees. So I told them that okay, you are giving me 7,500, this other one is 15,000, and because of that I am leaving. And they were like okay fine, consider and stuff like that. And later on it just happened smoothly. I left that particular job and then I joined my second job. So this is all about the first job, what I did, what I learned there, and also how I find that job. Basically from newspaper only, I called everyone, I sent my resume everywhere, and this is why and this is how I got my first job. And during this particular job I used to visit the consumer forums, I used to visit the state information commission office also. I used to draft RTI applications also there because they would seek certain information. So I used to do that. I also used to draft some emails that the owner had to send to the client, like that. A bit of drafting work, a bit of clerical work, I would say, a bit mixture of everything that I did in my first job. So I worked there for 30 days, and on the 30th day itself they do not pay, right? The salary time vary from organization to organization, and they had said that by 10th of the next month we will be paying. By that time I had already joined the other job. So one day from there I called him that, okay fine, what about the salary? And he said that, okay, you can come to the office and collect. It was on my way back home itself, so I visited the office and he had given me cash in an envelope. He had given me the amount. I still remember it was demonetization time, and this 1000 rupees notes were banned. 1000 or 500, I just forgot. The notes were banned, and he gave me that particular note and he said that you can exchange it. I said that no, these are demonetized, I'm not taking it. Might be he was having black money or I don't know what. He insisted me to take that. He was not giving me this new currency notes. He was not giving me check also, and later on I had no other option. I just took that amount and I came home, and my father actually went to the bank and then he got it deposited and he got the new currency notes. So this was all about my first job, what I learned, what I did. I hope you found some value out of this video, and also you got some idea on how to find a job for yourself and also what to expect. So that's all for today's video. Until next time, bye bye.